Hello again and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the fuel filter on the late Ford Focus diesel. It's located at the back down here. It looks very difficult to change, but rest assured in this video I will show you how it is done easily. We need to start at the front, so let's start by removing the air filter and air box. This just unclips, little screw at the front on the Jubilee clip and then some rubber mounting bushes on the air box. Once this is removed, we can then move further backwards and then we'll get the battery out of the way, and this will give us full access to the fuel filter. There's just a little bracket around the battery, 2 bolts, one at the top and one at the side. Then we can remove the battery terminals. You will need to remove the wiring along the top and also the battery monitoring multi-plug. Now you will be able to see the fuel filter. Here's the old and the new. So now, in order to replace the fuel filter, we need to remove the multi-plug. Slide out the red tab, then push together, and then the multi-plug will slide off. Then you can remove the front supporting bracket that holds the fuel filter in place, seen here. And it will now twist forward to gain access to the fuel lines. Now these are quick release unions. Basically, all you need to do is push the pipe into the filter and then push the plastic tab backwards into itself, and then it will slide off and release. I highly recommend priming the filter before replacing it. You can use a hand pump. This will prevent any airlocks and starting problems. And all we need to do now is replace the fuel filter. When pushing the unions on, give it a firm push and it will give an audible click when it is locked. And just try pulling it back off to make sure that it is engaged and isn't going to come off prematurely. So now we can bolt the filter back up, pop the multi-plug back on, refit the battery and the airbox, double check all your work, then start it up, make sure everything's good. And as expected, no problems, no leaks, we're ready to roll. I really hope that this video has helped you. If you have any questions, any problems, drop a comment and I'll try my very best to help you. This has been How to Fix It. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out these other great videos for your Ford Focus, and we'll see you over there in a click.